y'all, my name is Whitney and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you stopped by. Here on Perfected Imperfection, I share my thoughts with you on things like makeup, fashion, and lifestyle topics. I also do reviews and tutorials. So if that sounds fun to you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon and turn on all of your notifications. I would super appreciate it. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Love is Love palette from Georgie's Brushes Cosmetics. So let's get started. Tomorrow officially kicks off Pride Month, so I thought this would be the perfect time to do this particular video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Love is Love palette from Georgie's Brushes Cosmetics. And I have been saving this palette for this special occasion. And I am super excited to finally get to play around with it. First, I would like to share some information about Georgie's Brushes Cosmetics. Now, I have never used anything from this brand, but I was requested to review this palette from a friend. The brand was founded by George, also known as Kendra. They are a young Latin entrepreneur and are a part of the LGBTQIA+ community. George started out as a makeup artist, and when it comes to makeup, they really fell in love with all of the possibilities and the beauty it creates in the world. They also wanted to make high-quality products at affordable prices. If you are interested in checking out the brand, I will leave a link to their website down below. Pride Month means a lot to me personally. This month we get to celebrate the trailblazers who came before us, those who fought for equal rights for all of the individuals in our wonderful community. I will never forget the first time I attended a Pride Festival with my best friend. I am from a rural area where judgment flows freely and acceptance is often a rare commodity. So going to this first event was definitely a culture shock for me. But while there, it was the first time that I actually felt like I belonged and that no one was judging me. Also that day, I got to see my very first drag show, and I have been obsessed ever since. And the energy from the crowd was just amazing. So now I go every year to my city's Pride Festival, and I just really cherish the memories that I get to make each and every time. Alright, y'all. Here is the Love is Love palette. This retails for $45, but as of filming, it is currently on sale for $32. Can we talk about the packaging? How freaking cute is this packaging? I love it. It's colorful and festive. It shows members of the community. It has pride flags. It's just everything. And then when we open it up, it says Love is Love on the inside with the rainbow. And there are a lot of shades in this palette. Now there are no shade names, which that does not bother me. But if you like, fun little names in your palettes, that's just something to note. All of the bottom row is glitter. So I'm already like, yes, I can't wait to play with all the glitter. And then of course, it goes like a rainbow. The red, orange, yellow, green, blue, pink, and then like this indigo color. So yeah, super pretty. I really am gravitating to the yellow and like the oranges. For some reason, I have just been really into yellow eyeshadow, but it's really hard to find a good one. So hopefully, this will be amazing. But what do you all think about all the colors, all the different shades? It looks like there's a great amount of mattes, but then there's also some like shimmer shades in here as well. So yeah, I like it. Now, let's see if this palette performs as well as it looks. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. Let me know what you think. I, of course, as always, am obsessed. Which side do you like better? Do you like the warm tone side, or do you like the cooler tone side? Let me know in the comments down below. But let's talk about this palette. So, I have some thoughts, okay? Let me count how many shades there are on here. Okay, there are 35 shades in here, and normally the palette is $45. Right now it's on sale for $32. And let me just say, go out and buy it. This palette was freaking awesome. Where I had never heard of the brand really, I didn't quite know what to think, and you know, I don't know, I was concerned that the shades weren't going to be very pigmented, or you know, things like that. But wow. The first shade that I used was the red, and I was like, okay, because reds are typically harder to formulate, or at least that's what I've heard from the beauty community, as well as purples. So the purple was, it was pretty good. It wasn't my favorite, but it did blend out pretty well. But yeah, I was really impressed. Super pigmented, blended out really well. Now the glitters, I did put the yellow glitter and then the green glitter, since they were like in the inner corner of my eyes. I did use the glitter on the bottom portion of my eyes, if you can see. This will definitely have to be applied with a glitter glue if I wanted to go all over the lid, but where I was just kind of concentrating in the inner corner, it worked out fine that way. But if you want like super high impact, these are the glitters that you'll definitely have to use with glitter glue, and I didn't have any in front of me. So but yeah, I am gonna put my stamp of approval. Highly recommend this palette, and you know, you get to support a small business and they are a part of the LGBTQ+ community, which is just also great for Pride Month. So heck yeah, go out and buy it. I do have exciting news. In honor of Pride Month, I will be doing a different eyeshadow look with this palette every single day. So be sure to follow me on all of my social medias so you can check out all of my different looks. I will also be doing tutorials every Saturday on my Instagram, so make sure you check that out as well. But most of all, let's have fun and celebrate this month. I would love to see your all's looks for Pride that you do, so make sure to tag me over on Instagram and Twitter, which I will leave the links for down below. Well, that wraps up today's video. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me today on my channel. If you liked this video, you can let me know by hitting that like button. And if you want to continue to hang out with me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on all of your notifications so you'll know as soon as my next video drops. But most importantly, always remember, imperfection is beauty, madness is genius, and it's better to be absolutely ridiculous than absolutely boring. Bye, y'all!